My name is Coffie. I'm currently working as a data analyst with CMIH. For fun fact about me, I love watching movies and I love researching. So I'll just say I'm a consumer of information. When I first came across the promotion for the CBDA course, I was thinking it's just a certification, a way to get certified as a data analyst. So I wasn't able to join most of the info sections because I was not mostly around, but I still went ahead to make payments. So during that time, I still had the perception that it's just a way to get certified as a data analyst. But after our first, second, and third class, I got to notice that it's more than just getting certified. It's just what we need as a data analyst. That is to say that now as data analysts, we mostly focus on just deriving insight from data. But what CBDA does is to give you an idea or understanding of what the business needs, what stakeholder needs, and that is what we as data analysts we lack. So having that knowledge and then combining it with an actual field experience is actually something that is actually working for me. I won't lie, because I've seen improvements. I've been in this program for 7 weeks now, and then as compared to, I'm comparing before, that is before joining this program, and then during. So for during, when I make analysis, I start to ask questions. At first, I don't ask questions. I ask why, what, how, everything. Like anything I see, I mostly ask questions about it. And then so let's say it's giving me that edge to actually ask more questions, not just any question, like just the right question, understand every single thing that goes into our data. And then also one key thing that I've also learned is that we actually have to take stakeholders' needs very, very serious, because in all this process, the end goal is to actually meet the stakeholders' needs. So if as a normal data analyst, we just focus on just deriving insight from our data, then we are actually not doing what we are supposed to do. But what this course actually gives you is to give you understanding of both aspects, of both business, of stakeholder, and also having experience in data. So combining this three, that is you being a business data analyst, right? So combining these three is actually a key benefit for me. I don't know for the others, but I'm benefiting from this course. I'm enjoying it. And then in terms of expectation, I'm looking for it to gain more knowledge. I'm looking for it to understand the key things that a business data analyst needs to gain in order to be a problem solver, a change manager in the business industry here in Ghana. So that's my key expectations before the end of this program. In terms of recommendation, I would recommend this program not to every data analyst, not just not only data analysts, but also business owners, managers in companies, team leads, investors, stakeholders. Everybody needs to experience this course, because it doesn't only give you understanding of just data or having an understanding of just data, but also it gives you a broader view of what business is all about, and also changes your perspective on certain things. So I would recommend this program to everybody. Thank you.